everyone, today I'll show you a super easy dish to cook using jackfruit seeds. To get the seeds, you first need to open a jackfruit. Then you need to cook the seeds. Follow the link in the comments below to watch my video on how to cook the seeds. I'm gonna make Tikka Masala. I got this at Sprouts because I'm too lazy to mix it all together. Because normally you would need a tomato puree, buttermilk, and a bunch of other stuff. So just to save time, I just got this. I'm going to use some sesame oil to brown my onions. You could use any type of oil you would normally use. That should be enough. I just needed a little oil to stir fry my onions with. I'm just going to make this super simple. I'm only adding onions, mushrooms, and cooked jackfruit seeds. I only cook vegetarian at home, so if you want to add chicken to it, you can. I'm using jackfruit seeds as the protein in this dish. Throw in my onions, stir fry them. Medium heat to brown them. Make sure they're all coated with the sesame oil. Here is my jackfruit seed that's been boiled and peeled. In retrospect, I should have chopped the jackfruit seeds up a little before throwing them into the dish. That way, they could have absorbed more of the curry flavor. Oh well, it's too late. You guys should do it when you cook this. Put in the mushroom. Let us fry that together so it gets the flavor. Oh, it smells so good. I don't like my curry being too thick, so I'm adding some water. Also, this allows the curry to slowly simmer so all the flavors could get into the jackfruit. Oh, look at that. This is my first time using this brand of Tikka Masala, and it tasted very tangy and spicy. I'm not used to it being so tangy. Good. To help, I'm going to add some coconut milk. Hopefully this will make it more to my liking. I hope this saves it. I try not to eat too much rice. For the rice, I have cauliflower. I just put it in the food processor. Once it comes out, it looks like rice. Here's some cauliflower rice. I didn't cook it, I just chopped it up so it looks like rice. And then grab some of the Tikka Masala and put it over the rice. Get mushroom. Let's get some sauce. Is that too much sauce? Oh well. Yay, here's my Tikka Masala. So when I was cooking this, I try to be lazy and I use the pre-made stuff. It didn't taste really good. It tasted really sour, and that's not what I like. Or the flavor was just not something I was used to. So I added coconut milk to try to balance the flavor. It helped a little. I also added bay leaf, right here. A bay leaf to balance the flavor out. I added some sugar so it wasn't so sour, but it's still quite sour. I don't know. I would never use that brand again unless you like the sourness. But let's give this a try. It does get really good, but to have to add all that stuff when my initial intention was to just put it all together and then heat it up and eat it, that part was really frustrating. But it goes really well with the cauliflower rice. Usually I cook it, but I figured the taste of the Tikka Masala is really strong. So I probably wouldn't really need to cook it to get the raw flavor out. And plus it's much healthier for you, so you're not cooking away all the nutrients. This is all vegetarian. Can't say it's vegan because it has milk in it from the original sauce. It's pretty good. Let me try the jackfruit seeds. That goes really well with this. I feel like after a couple of jackfruit seeds, I'll be full. Because it's really filling. It doesn't look like much, but it tastes pretty good. It tastes healthy good. So you could try this at home. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. And if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Talk to you next time. Bye.